Hey everyone, today I'm going to be repairing the insulation on my mini split. And as you can see here, being exposed to direct sunlight and weather have caused the original insulation to crack and fall apart. So I'm going to replace the damaged sections, wrap everything in HVAC tape, and hopefully get a few more years out of it. So let's get started. The first thing I need to do is remove the old damaged insulation. And you just need to use a small utility knife just to make a little cut, just so it makes it easier to peel away from the copper lines. And then I'll wipe down everything with a dry rag, just to get it ready for the new insulation. Rather than going back to the original foam insulation, I'm upgrading to this rubber self-seal pipe insulation. I'm going to measure it out, cut it to size, and wrap it around the copper lines. Then I'll peel off the backing and use a self-adhesive strip to hold everything in place. The nice thing is the self-adhesive backing makes insulation really simple. Now that the new insulation is installed, I'm going to wrap it with this all-weather HVAC tape. This should help protect it from the sun, weather, and hopefully extend the life of the insulation. I'm overlapping the tape as I go to make sure everything is covered and protected. Some of these areas are a little tight to work in, so it takes a little patience to get the tape wrapped neatly. Just remember to take your time and make sure everything gets covered. And that just about wraps it up. Let's take a look at the before and after. The new insulation looks much better, and with the added HVAC tape, it should be much better protected from the sun and weather going forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.